Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your screen on your Zoom application. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to share your screen on your Zoom application, firstly open your Zoom application. You will arrive on the home page of Zoom. Click on New Meeting and then Start a Meeting by clicking on it. Allow Zoom to take pictures and record video if you want to. Allow Zoom to record the audio. On the bottom of the screen, click on Share. Scroll all the way down and click on Screen. Allow Zoom to access your content to display it on your screen or anything played from your device and click on Start Now. This is how you can share your screen on your Zoom application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching.